Okay, this video is for my 2014 Kymco Super 8 150. I have been trying everything. I've changed all my gas filter. I changed my valves, as you can see. I changed all the gas lines. Here's my new carburetor Nibby 28 millimeter. I changed that. And I did top dead centered, as you can see over here. As I don't know if you can see in there. Sorry for the noise. But my line is set at top dead center on the flywheel. So I also set my valves, which is set on my valves, that it's supposed to be set at 0.004, and for my exhaust it's supposed to be set at 0.005. That's in inches. As you can see, I'm just going to start it, and we'll take it from there. See, it's on, it's turned on. Now I want you guys to listen to this. You see my valves going, the oil's pumping. And there's no gas going to the carburetor. And I even changed my fuel pump. So I don't know. You guys can help me out. I think I'm killing my battery, but I just charged my battery this morning, so I don't know. Give me some suggestions, and hopefully I can get this thing fixed. Thanks.